Hi, my name is Jackie Catalano, and I'm a certified health coach with Take Shape for Life. Today, I just wanted to share with you a brief story about how it went at my physician last week when I asked him to send me some referrals. A lot of people are very weary about asking their physician for referrals. They're not sure how it would look or how they would ask, but I wanted to just share what happened for me because I think it was a very simple introduction for what we do and how we can share it with our doctors. So I went to the doctor last week, like I said, and I had my annual physical. And he did blood work, a full panel of everything, and all of my numbers came back fantastic. He went on and on about how my blood pressure was great, my cholesterol was great. I have family history of diabetes, how my numbers for that were great. Literally everything came back that I was optimally healthy. And he commended me for it. And I took that opportunity to say, what would you have said to me if I was overweight or if those numbers on my blood work were not good? And he was a little bit taken back and he said, well, in terms of what? And I said, well, let's say I was obese and I had high blood pressure and high cholesterol and the beginnings of diabetes, pre-diabetes. What would you say? And he said, well, we would talk about medications and we would talk about changing your lifestyle. But a lot of people can't do the change of lifestyle thing. So it usually goes to medications, and then there's always surgery. If obesity was really the problem, we may talk about bariatric surgery or a sleeve or something like that. So I said, well, what if I can show you and help your other patients to get the results that I get without having to use any of those medications or surgeries? Would you be interested in sharing what I do with them? And he said, absolutely, tell me what you do. And then I pulled out these handy dandy BMI cards that I had made. They show the BMI chart, and then on the back, they just tell a little bit about what we do, a little before and after of my husband and I. And I handed this to him and I said, well, I'm actually a certified health coach with Take Shape for Life, and we work with people to create healthier lives and to change those things that you and I were just talking about. And he took a look at the card, he looked it over, he saw that we help people with getting to a healthy weight, physical activity, restorative sleep, healthy mind, and he asked me a few questions, all of which I answered, and I told him I would be happy if he would like to refer somebody to me, that I would show him exactly what I could do. And he asked me for a few of these cards, and then he asked me to leave a whole stack of them out in the waiting area. So that's how easy it was for me to share what we do with my doctor. And I didn't die by saying it. Nothing bad happened. He didn't kick me out of the office. He was actually excited to be able to possibly send people my way and help them. I spoke to him a tiny bit about how somebody in the office could be trained to do this. Immediately he said, they have a lot of stuff on their hands, but he'd be happy to refer people to me, and that's fine with me. I'm creating the relationship, and I'd be happy to show him exactly what I can do. So I hope that this helped, and I hope that some of you step out of your comfort zone and also ask your doctors if they would refer clients to you. You do have amazing results. You are living a very healthy life, and people can benefit from what we know. So share, share, share. Thank you.